So give her some water. She hasn't had water in a while.
Oh.
Yeah, let's get her some food. Oh, here. Oh, hi.
Is this open?
What the? Where'd she go?
Where'd she go?
Oh.
That's funny.
What's the woman in the Nutcracker who has all the children under her dress? Sugar plum. She's a little sugar plum fairy.
Sugar plum, I don't like it.
Sugar.
I think Shimmer was perfect.
Brown sugar.
Oh, you smell like dog food.
Dog food?
Her mouth smells like dog food.
I don't think she can reach it yet. There we go.
Reach it. It's the perfect size for her.
Yeah.
No, that's not. I mean, as in like the water was tanking
The
up.
water's not thirsty though. They have lots of water.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I was moving away.
She
She
sat
to
down
say
for
hi to
you.
you.
No, she went right back. She was trying to squeeze past me.
No,
Oh,
she sat down.
She
Hi.
sat down. Very gentle.
Yes, I can see that. Her fur isn't defined, so I'm just feeling bones under it.
Here, Tristan.
What's that? I'm gonna move. I'm gonna put it. What does this do? Doesn't do anything. I thought it did something.
It squeaks and it makes a little noise. It's just for it to chew.
Oh, I missed.
Don't get it wet.
I didn't want to get it wet. I didn't mean to hit it in there.
Drinking his?
Hi.
Oh, for him.